Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.